And lately, I received some questions about masking. So let's head right into Premiere Pro and start masking. But wait, what is masking exactly? Well, it's basically a way to cut a piece of your video and use it to either make a transition or an effect. So now let's jump into Premiere and start making a simple mask. We'll use this shot of a television screen where we then want to place a clip in so that it looks like it's playing on the television. To start off, we'll put the clip of the television on track number 2 and the other clip we place on track number 1 dot. Then we select the clip that we want to mask. So in this case, the television clip, head over to the Effect Controls panel and click on the Pen tool and the Opacity property. This pen tool allows you to create a custom shape, but you can also use the Ellipse or Rectangle tool with the pen tool selected. We can now make a selection on our video for where we want the masks to be, so I'll place a point in each corner. If you click and drag, you can create a bezier. This makes it easier when you want to mask around curved edges. You can then simply use the handles of the bezier to create curved paths. If you have already made a shape and you want to get a bezier on a point, then you can hold Alt while clicking on that point to make the handles appear. Okay, once we connect the final point, you will see that the mask is created. Now only the part inside of the selection is visible, and of course we don't want that. We want everything else to be visible. To change this, select the inverted checkbox inside the mask property. If the edges of your mask are a little bit too harsh, you can feather this a bit, and this will make it more faded.